Today we're gonna go over how to draw Godzilla's spikes coming out of the water as he's kind of like traveling into it. You see it a lot in the movie Godzilla vs. King Kong, so I'm gonna teach you how to draw it step by step, easy, for beginners, really short lesson as well, so let's get started, okay? So first thing I'm gonna start with is I'm gonna start with the actual flat line of the water, and that's really important, right? And we're just gonna draw a straight line across. Okay, really simple, really easy. Okay. And a lot of the, it's gonna be like a curve, well, you'll see what it is. So right now I'm gonna go small spike. Larger spike over here. It's gonna get a little bit larger toward the center. But they're gonna be separated. So here's one. Here's another. Here's another. It's like 3 in a row, right? Over here now, I'm gonna go to the center. One. Two. 3. 3 is about enough, like, per row. Gonna go over here on this side. Here. 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 It's gonna get smaller over here as well. So same thing over here. Over here. So a lot of this is the organization, right, of the spikes on his back, and you want to make it look like it's him, so we're gonna do a couple of other things to this. It's not just gonna be these floating spiked islands here. But the first thing you need to do before you kind of spike it up is to spike up your life, and to subscribe and click that bell notification if you want to learn more about Godzilla and more about drawing. I absolutely go over tons and tons and tons and tons of more stuff on this channel. So let's go over the water. That's kind of what's important here. Right here I'm going to throw little bits of water over here. Like so. And the way I differentiate the water is it's thinner lines, but it's kind of wiggly in form, right? Little explosions. And you want to throw it just scattered all over the place, right? In front and back and in layers. You can throw another line over here, another line over here. What you can do is you can actually start throwing, like after that stuff right there, after the little thin explosions. That's why you're trying to differentiate the little explosion shapes from the spikes, right? And something would be cool is you can throw a little palm tree down here, right? Like a little shape of a palm tree to kind of make it look more simple. And one of the other things you can actually throw in here is some clouds in the back. Right? That does a lot for scale, which is the biggest thing when you're drawing anything Godzilla related or King Kong related. You're trying to draw scale. Like you're literally trying to make stuff look bigger, and all we can do is we can do that with drawing, right? Something else we're going to do now is texture. I know it's completely different than the normal drawing I usually do on here, but you can do texture to the spikes. And so on the spikes themselves,
Baby,
doing that. Don't forget to hit the like on the video if you're a Godzilla fan. That'll let me know. Right on. And that's mostly it. You can kind of just keep drawing these splashy shapes, and it's gonna kind of make it look a little bit more like so. Or if you really want, you can draw the front, like maybe the top of Godzilla's head over here, kind of sticking out. But he doesn't. You don't really see his head though normally when he's underwater like that. But if you want, you can do that right there. Right, just like the top of it, like a turtle. But anyways, that's it. I want to thank you very much for following. You're amazing. If you want to do maybe a little island over here, you can do that. This is like that perspective where you don't see him. I have another video where you can see the underside of him, so go check that out. This is kind of like if you're just seeing it from like far away, that kind of stuff. But thank you so much. I will see you next time. This is very obscure. Somebody requested it. If you want to request anything, I will absolutely make it happen if you ask in the comments section, okay? Ask me like something I haven't drawn, and I will totally make a lesson about it. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video, okay? Talk to you soon. Stay positive, okay, artists? For skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.